We're here for Motorboats Monthly aboard the Smartcraft 23. She's brand new into the UK, she's a French design and she's built in Poland. The concept of this boat is very much around family boating. There's masses of space here and there's some rather clever details as well. They put a ballast tank into the boat so you can fill it with water and make the boat a little steadier either when you're stopped or underway. It's got some very good storage solutions under the seat here and also under the deck. Further forward there's an area for seating. It also infills to make into a sunbed, and I've even managed to squeeze a little cuddy cabin underneath. What I do like about this boat is the detailing that's gone into it. There are grab handles where you need them, the cleats are retractable and have got very nice little anti-chafe strips on them, and look at these fenders, they're a fantastic idea. They fold against the insides of the hull and they just flip over when you need to use them.